Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. If you've been following our magazine, you might remember listening to the term solar wind in our video about the northern and southern lights. But have you ever wondered what solar wind really means? Let's find out. Solar winds are streams of charged particles that are constantly flowing out from the sun. The sun's core is so hot that it causes atoms to break apart, creating plasma, a mixture of charged particles, including protons, electrons, and a few heavier ions. Now, the sun is always active, with its outermost layer known as the corona, reaching temperatures of over 1,000,000 degrees Celsius. Because of this intense heat, some of the plasma in the corona has enough energy to escape the sun's gravity. When this happens, these particles shoot out into space, forming what we know as solar wind. The solar wind also contains the sun's interplanetary magnetic field. How do solar winds affect Earth? Our planet is protected by a magnetic field that acts like a shield, deflecting most of the charged particles from the solar wind. However, some of these particles do interact with Earth's magnetic field, leading to some fascinating and more disruptive effects. Auroras, the northern and southern lights. When charged particles from the solar wind collide with atoms and molecules in Earth's atmosphere, they excite these atoms, causing them to light up in brilliant colors. The result is a beautiful light show that dances across the sky near the polar regions. Geomagnetic storms. Sometimes, the sun releases a particularly strong burst of solar wind, known as a solar storm. When this happens, the influx of charged particles can cause disturbances in Earth's magnetic field, leading to what scientists call a geomagnetic storm. These storms can have serious effects on Earth. They can disrupt communication systems, interfere with GPS signals, and even cause power outages by affecting power grids. Impact on satellites and astronauts. Satellites orbiting Earth can also be affected by solar winds. The charged particles can damage the delicate electronics inside satellites, leading to malfunctions or even complete failure. Understanding solar winds gives us a deeper appreciation of how dynamic and interconnected our solar system is. These charged particles, born from the sun's intense heat, remind us of the sun's powerful influence on Earth. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned: solar winds are streams of charged particles, including protons and electrons, ejected from sun's outer layer due to intense heat. Solar winds interact with Earth's magnetic field, creating spectacular auroras at the poles and causing geomagnetic storms, which can disrupt communication systems. Solar winds can damage satellites and their electronics, potentially causing malfunctions. We hope you liked this article.